With challenge/response or virtual DigiPass request, a challenge or an OTP is generated. Click Challenge or Virtual DigiPass to learn more. In a one-step challenge/response, you will receive the challenge during login. A one-step challenge/response is not applicable in a Radius environment. The policy challenge info is displayed here. One-step challenge/response. Permitted controls whether one-step challenge/response logins will be enabled for the current policy and, if so, where the challenge should originate. Note that a one-step challenge/response is not applicable in a Radius environment. If set to number, one-step challenge/response may not be used. If set to yes, server challenge, one-step challenge/response may be used provided that the Identikey server that verifies the response generated the challenge. If set to yes, any challenge, one-step challenge/response may be used with any random challenge. Challenge length specifies the length of the challenge, excluding a check digit, which should be generated for one-step challenge/response logins. Challenge check digit. A check digit may be added to the generated challenge. This allows the DigiPass to more quickly identify invalid challenges. Two-step challenge/response. Request method. The method by which a user has to request a two-step challenge/response login. This is the only mode of challenge/response available in a Radius environment. The request is made in the password field during login. The request will be ignored if the user does not have a challenge/response capable DigiPass assigned. Request keyword. The specific keyword in case the request method contains one. You can edit or delete the policy, or take a deeper look on the other tabs. A virtual DigiPass allows you to request a one-time password via text message on your mobile phone or email. Step 1. The user requests an OTP on the login. Step 2. Request is validated. Step 3. The OTP will be delivered using the MDC. Step 4. The user receives a text message on your mobile phone or an email containing his OTP. Step 5. User logs in using his OTP. Step 6. OTP is validated. The policy virtual DigiPass info is displayed here. Backup virtual DigiPass. The backup virtual DigiPass feature simply allows a user to request an OTP to be sent to their mobile phone. It is not treated as a discrete object by Identikey server, and is not assigned to users, only enabled or disabled. It can be enabled for users with another type of DigiPass already assigned, and used when the user does not have their DigiPass available. Primary virtual DigiPass. A primary virtual DigiPass is handled similarly to a standard physical DigiPass. It is imported into the Identikey server database, assigned to a user, and treated by the Identikey server database as any other kind of DigiPass. Your company will probably need to pay an amount for each text message on your mobile phone sent. In some countries, mobile phone owners might need to pay an amount for each text message on your mobile phone received on their mobile phone. This will need to be taken into consideration when deciding how to implement virtual DigiPass functionality. A physical DigiPass devices provide the highest level of security. A virtual DigiPass provides a lower, although still high, level of security. This needs to be weighed against other considerations before deciding whether your company will implement virtual DigiPass, and if so, how it will be implemented. You edit or delete the policy, or take a deeper look on the other tabs.